Hello everyone, what's up? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make easy and efficient website just under 5 minutes. And that will include tech stack like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And the website should look like this, this and this. And do not worry if you are a beginner because this will be a detailed instruction video. And the video might be a bit longer because it includes introduction and detailed instruction. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what you have to do is just search website template. And you will see a couple of websites which provides you the template. So I'm opening a website like 24 website web service. This sites provide you the template, and I'm going to tell you the difference between this site and these sites. Okay, so let me check which website is more appealing and let me open that. Okay. Okay, let's check this website. Okay, so this is a service website and it's looking beautiful. So let's say we need to create this website under 5 minutes. How we can do it? Right click on it, view page source. This is the code of the website. Control A and Control C for copying the whole code and paste this code on your VS Code. Here I am on my VS Code, creating a file index.html and then pasting the code here. Now what you have to do, you need to click go live. And here you get the website. This is your whole website now, and you can make any changes on it. Okay, let me show you where is the CSS. So here is the code. These are the meta links, and in the bottom of the code you're gonna get all the script. And let me show you where is the styling. Some styling is in between of the code like this, and there is also an external styling which you can check here. So there is a link called style sheet. Here is the CSS styling. Press Ctrl and then click on it. It will redirect to the CSS page like this. So these are CSS styling which you can Control A and C for copying the whole code, and you can make a style sheet here and then paste the whole code. Format this code, and here you get the whole styling of it, and you can import this file here. Link CSS, and this our file is important. And now you can make any changes to your website. You can just change this heading, change the paragraph. You can also change the image. To check what is the class of that component or element, you can inspect it. Let's say we need to change the title. Just click on this. And okay, the class of this one is col MD6. Copy this one. Open your VS Code. Control F for search. Search this thing. Yeah. So this is the heading we are looking for. Translation system as it should be. Intelligent, fast, always on. We can change this to anything, to whatever website you are making. For example, you are making for selling your books. Let's say we provide the best quality book. So now this will be the heading instead of that. So like this, you can change anything. Fourth, let's say you need to change this image. Just click on this image, check its class. Okay, so its class is this. Like this, you can make any changes to it. Let's say you need to change the image here. So what you can do, just click on this image And just you need to extract the class. And here is the class, gray logo lazy loading. So let me select the gray logo and search it here like this, and you'll get this. So you just need to change the source, and you can add any image what you wanted according to your brand, according to your client. So this is how you can create website as fast as possible. Okay, let me tell you again how you can do it. Just search for the template, search the right side, then inside it, choose any template you loved, and then click on its right click on it and open its page source, and then copy the code and paste it in your VS Code. And then you can make any changes to it. You can change the menu, image, anything. How you can change is by right clicking, inspect, click on that element, copy its class name, search the class name in the VS Code, and just make the changes. It is as simple as it sounds. Other than that, what else you can do? You can also integrate other components, other websites component. Let's say this website seems appealing. You want this navigation bar inside this website. Do the same thing, right click, view open source, copy paste VS Code, and just grab that element and integrate that element inside your website, and that's what you get. And the difference I wanted you to tell between this 24 website service than these website, let me show you. If I click on this website, free HTML website templates, if I open to view, so you can see if I click now to the view page source, it is providing the source code, but something is missing. Might be CSS or some scripts are missing. So you just need to check those sites whose templates provide you the pure full page source so that you can copy paste it and make changes. I'll give you this site link in the description so you can check out there and try it out. And do let me know how was the trick of making website under 5 minutes by commenting in